It isn't a secret. We can have a function within the function. For instance, let's define a function called wage that calculates your daily wage. Say you use working hours as a parameter, and you are paid $25 per hour. So this should work. Okay, good. Notice, I don't technically need the print command here. I could print out the wage afterwards, but I don't really need to. So I'll proceed this way, just returning the value I need. When you do well in a day, your boss will be very happy to give a bonus of $50 added to your salary. Hence, I'll define a with bonus function for you. And as a parameter, I will take again the working hours. But this time, I will allow myself to return directly the wage with working hours as an output, which would be the value obtained after the wage function has been run, plus the extra $50 you've earned. This is how the first function is involved in the output of the second one, a function within the function. Let's see what the output will be if you worked 8 hours today and the boss was very happy with your performance. Wage with an argument 8 and with bonus with an argument of 8. Great! 200 of base compensation and $250 with the bonus. Don't forget to do the exercises after this lecture. This is the best way to reinforce what you've learned.